Meanwhile, Member of Parliament for Western Kingston, Desmond McKenzie, announced a $600,000 reward for information leading to the arrest of those responsible. Mr. McKenzie toured the community a short while ago, where he spoke with residents and members of the security forces. While extending condolences to the Pinnock family, he pledged his support and called for the police to move swiftly to bring those responsible to justice.
And they must be treated in the way when they are caught by the police, as how you treat mercenaries, because they are mercenaries fighting for turf. What is here for them to fight about? Huh? What is there for them to fight over? Are you stuff out the life of a child? I condemn it, and I urge the community, people who saw what happened, to come forward and to give that information.
Denham Town is one of the zones of special operations.